Hi guys, welcome to another wonderful vlog. So guys, today I'm going to share you the $500 6-star cruise line $500. So they will charge per day $500 for the one suit. So enjoy this vlog and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. This is a $500 suit and this is a 6-star cruise line, very lowest chargeable suit on the vessel. So this cabin is located on deck 5. So this is one's bathroom. You can see the bathroom facility. Can convert to Indian people, can convert to the $500 to 82. So this one is a toilet. You can see here the mirror and bathtub. Close this door from here. You can hang your dress here. There's a light jacket. There's one safe box. You can keep your personal things here with the number lock. And from here, you can see one big mirror. And this one is a air conditioner thermostat. One side is cold, one side is hot. And this one is a bed. Same like a 5-star hotel, they are providing the facility. You can see this on the wall lamp, and there is one telephone here, and the mirror lamp. And there's one sofa. I can see here very big mirror. From here you see the glasses.
Master and
From here you can see the good view of the ship. Oh, this,
see. See, yung babalo. See? 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 Yung second. See? 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 Engine.
come into the engine also.
See? See?
Deck 9, the key out.
Yeah. That's yesterday, that one. This lady.